Hey guys, it's Ellen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am trying to run my own homemade business called Sew and Inspire. There should be a website up so soon and I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram and Facebook, which is at Sew and Inspire. But yeah, for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these t-shirts. I absolutely love how it turned out. Unfortunately, this is just the material I have chosen and I don't show you how to do the tie-dye. But if you do want me to try that, then let me know in the comments and I will 100% do that. The pattern I used is from one of these books. Now this was a book from quite a while ago. If you if you love sewing and you don't watch the Great British Sewing Bee, then I don't know who you are, because it's my favourite programme literally ever. This is from one quite a few years ago, but I didn't get it that long ago, so I have a feeling you can still get these. I'm not too sure, but I used the pattern from this book. If I can find it. I used this pattern from this book. It is called the men's t-shirt, but they give you the pattern from sizes extra small to extra large, so it's absolutely fine. I mean, you could probably find a women's t-shirt pattern, but a t-shirt's a t-shirt in my eyes, and I just like adjusted the pattern and have made it a little bit more cropped, but obviously you could make it longer. But yeah, me and my mum absolutely love these t-shirts. I've made them for us before. So yeah, if you want to know how to make one of these t-shirts for yourself, then just keep on watching. Start making this t-shirt. Okay, so first thing you're gonna want to do is grab your back and front piece, and my fabric is quite difficult to tell which one's the back and the front, and put right sides together. And then the first thing you're gonna want to do is sew one of the shoulder seams. So I'm gonna sew the left shoulder seam. So I'm just gonna pin them together and sew along there. Okay, so this is my ironing board, by the way, if it looks a bit weird. So next you're gonna wanna grab your neckband piece, which is the long thin one, and you just want to iron this in half so we can attach it. Super simple. Okay, so now you've got one of your shoulder seams sewn. You're then going to fold it out like this. Okay, and then all you're gonna do is pin this neckband on to here, and you should have cut this on the not on the grain if it's stretchy, I think, so then it can fit to the whole thing. As this fabric isn't like jersey, I'm really hoping this is gonna fit. but we'll find out in a second. If not, then I'll just cut a longer piece. Okay, luckily mine fits. So now I'm going to just sew that on, and yeah, then we basically have a finished neckband. Okay, I have also just overlocked that edge, so now I'm just going to iron it flat upwards, so it's, you know, a normal neckline. Okay, so now we've got our neckband in. I'm now going to put right sides together again and sew up the other shoulder seam. Okay, so your t-shirt should be looking a little something like this with the neckband, and then I've just overlocked the two shoulder seams. So now we're going to move on to the sleeves. Just want to open out your t-shirt, and so then it's kind of like this, and then grab your sleeve piece and you want to get the curved edge. There should be one straight edge and then a kind of curved edge. So you want to fold it in half first with, so then you kind of know where the middle is. So you want to get right side together, right, like this, and want to match that fold line with your shoulder seam, and then open it out and pin it on to the main bodice thing. Okay, so now your sleeves are sewn in. They should look, the t-shirt should be looking something a little bit like this. So now you want to turn it inside out. I've also overlocked all the seams as I've gone. So what you're going to do is sew up here along the side seam and across here along the sleeve seam. Okay, so basically our t-shirt is now finished, but all we need to do is hem it. So for the hem, I just have folded it once, I folded it again, so then there are no raw edges, and it just is kind of a simple hem. So I just need to do the sleeves, but I didn't film this because my camera ran out of battery. But we're all good now, so I'm gonna film me doing the sleeves. T-shirt is done. So yeah, this is how it has turned out. I'm actually really happy that I ended up not making it longer, because I absolutely love it this length. It's just gonna be, I'm gonna wear this so much in the summer. It's like, the material's so lightweight, and yeah, tie-dye is like really like popular at the moment, and I wish I knew how to do it like myself. We might try that soon, but yeah, I just have this material lying around and I wanted to make a t-shirt out of it for ages, but yeah, I absolutely love it. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, which is @SewAndInspire, to keep up to date when my website's going to be up and just like to see what I'm doing behind the scenes. So yeah, I will see you guys next Saturday. I think my upload time is going to be 5 p.m. Just because I was trying to do it for the morning, but with schoolwork and everything it's quite difficult, so I'm gonna do 5 p.m. I hope that's okay for everyone. But yeah, I will see you next Saturday at 5 p.m. Bye!